to do it. Hi, Amanpreet. So before we start the game, let me once again tell you.
We are live, ma'am.
Yes. Hello, everyone. And we are ready with this teacher's housey. Hi, Eliza. This ticket, you have 2 boxes on this ticket. Please write the number of your choice. 2 boxes are there with each and every actor, actresses. Please write any of your favorite numbers between 1 to 9090. इसके ऊपर लिख दो and write your name above it. ठीक है, पहले numbers लिख दो. पूरे ticket में every actor has 2 boxes. Every actor has 2 blank boxes. Write the numbers. 1 to 90 के बीच में जो भी numbers आते हैं, please लिख लो. और अपना नाम जो है, वो यहाँ पे बड़े writing से लिखो. So, hello everyone, a very good evening, and Thai Teachers Learning Festival today is one of its kind of celebration that we are doing. Is teachers are going to play housey, a musical housey, and I'm so excited that all the educators are ready with their set of papers, housey tickets. So we are ready, and now this is your answer key. I'm explaining it one more time that I will be playing a PPT, and this answer key is going to help you. So whenever you hear a song, you will have to guess ये कौन सा picture है. Picture यहाँ से ढूंढना है. For example, it's धक धक करने लगा. Then I'll have to search for beta, and beta is here with 1 number, 74. So I will search 74 where? On my ticket. So there are some picture names which have 3 numbers. So bingo, it's a bonus for you. So एक साथ 3 numbers कटने वाले हैं, ठीक है? So the claims that you can make is early 7. There are 2 early 7. 7 means any 7 numbers, any 7. 1, 2, 3, any 7. And second 7 is 7 boxes, means पूरा ये जो अगर मैंने यहाँ पे ये box है तो ये this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4, this is 5, this is 6, and this is 7. So 7 numbers, 7 boxes. And then other claims are, you can read the chat box. Khanna family agar aapka ho jata hai, there are 3 members of Khanna family in this entire picture. If you can see, it's Rajesh Khanna, Dimple Kapadia, and Twinkle Khanna. Then we have Bachchan family. You can find there are 3 members. So तीनों के दोनों boxes हो जाने चाहिए. If you're claiming for Khanna family, दोनों boxes हो जाने चाहिए. So Khanna family, Dutt family, Bachchan family, Khan family, we are going to claim for those. Khanna family, Deol family. So Deol, you can see Isha Deol, Dharmendra, and Hema Malini. So तीनों के दोनों number. Isha के दोनों number, Dharmendra के दोनों number, Hema Malini के दोनों number. If 6 are ticked, you can write stop in the chat box, and we'll stop the game for a while and check your tickets. Is that okay, Daksh? Everybody's ready? So here comes the first slide, and it'll go on. Come on, Daksh. Let's screen share and let's start. So even audience who've joined on the Facebook can use the comment section box of Facebook and join with us and enjoy this game. So let's share the screen, Daksh. You will hear some sound now, so give us a while. Keep your answer keys and your tickets side by side so that.
क्या कहा आपने?
I'm sorry. मैंने गुस्से में कुछ ज्यादा ही बोल दिया.
कोई बात नहीं सेन्योरिटा, कोई बात नहीं. बड़े-बड़े देशों में ऐसी छोटी-छोटी बातें होती रहती हैं.
Yes, DDLJ. Now search for DDLJ. Find the numbers 67 and 73 and go to your housey ticket and see whether you are finding 67 and 73 on your housey ticket. अगर है तो दोनों number को tick करो. 67, 73. Next.
Oh God, one more remix.
Find for Simba. Find for Simba. Don't use the chat box unless you are claiming it. Please be on your ticket. Simba ढूंढो. Simba पे 3 number हैं. 1919, 5 and 7070. 3 numbers अपने ticket में ढूंढिए. 1919, 5 and 70. 1919, 5 and 70. 1919, 5 and 70. Okay?
चप्पा चप्पा चरखा चले, चप्पा चप्पा चरखा चले,
Marches.
चप्पा चप्पा चरखा चले, चप्पा चप्पा चरखा चले.
Marches number is 69. Marches number is 69. So we've done with 67, 73, 19, 5, 70 and 69. Number 69. You'll have to search the number in your house.
बाबू मोशाय, आने वाले 6 महीने में जो लाखों पल में जीने वाला हूं, उसका क्या होगा? बाबू मोशाय, जिंदगी बड़ी होनी चाहिए, लंबी नहीं. हद करते हो. मौत के डर से अगर जिंदा रहना छोड़ दिया, तो मौत किसे कहते हैं? क्यों दोस्त? बाबू मोशाय, जब तक जिंदा हूं तब तक मरा नहीं. जब मर गया साला मैं ही नहीं.
Film
डर किस बात का?
51. If you have in your housing ticket, search for this number here, 51. If you have, please search for the number Anand Film 51. Next.
तू तो साडी केयर नहीं करदा, टाइम स्पेयर नहीं करदा. तू तो साडी केयर नहीं करदा, टाइम स्पेयर नहीं करदा. वे मैं ही तेरे पीछे पीछे आनी आ, मैं ही तेनु फोन मिलानी आ. वे मैं ही तेरे पीछे पीछे आनी आ, मैं ही तेनु फोन मिलानी आ. साडे ते तू मेरे नहीं करदा, तू तो साडी केयर नहीं करदा.
Is this Chalang, Daksh?
Yes, ma'am, it's Chalang.
Chalang. So 3 numbers. Yay! 9090, 7777, 7676. 3 numbers. Wow. So those who are having 3 numbers on the ticket are having a gala ride today. 9090, 7777, 7676. Chalang 9090, 7777, 7676.
अस्सलाम वालेकुम इंस्पेक्टर.
A little fast. You can please mention in the chat
हमारा
box.
खुशकिस्मती
Otherwise,
कि तुम्हारे जैसे बड़े ऑफिसर ने हमको याद किया. हमारे लायक कोई खिदमत.
wow.
तुम्हारा नाम शेर खान है?
इस इलाके में नए आए हो.
That job. Zanjeer, I think there's a claim. Alifia, you can please send your ticket to the number that is mentioned. Till that time, we'll move ahead. Alifia is claiming for 7 single boxes. Okay, so this was Zanjeer with 3 numbers. Alifia, please send your ticket. 2525, 2121, 8181. 3 numbers. Again, 25, 2181, 25, 2181. Wow, this was Zanjeet, a wonderful dialogue by Pran, and this is an ever epic dialogue. 25, 2181. Let's move ahead. Early 7, Krishna is also claiming. Krishna, please send your ticket on the number mentioned. Stop. Yes, we are stopping. Krishna can move, send the ticket. Alifia can send the ticket. And meanwhile, we'll move ahead. Daksh, can you play the next? Slumdog Millionaire. This is, yes, Slumdog Millionaire. Find for the number On your ticket, find for the number 666. Jai Ho, Slumdog Millionaire. This movie got us a lot of glory, lot of fame, and lot of respect. Number 66. Sorry, number 66.
Ma'am, I would request everyone, when you are claiming, kindly write your name, so we'll address back to you.
Please write the name on the ticket because it's very important. Number 66 was the last number that I spoke. Number 66. Even the audience on the Facebook can guess the songs and write the names of the movies, and we'll get back to you with your correct answers. I have 69 on 81. I have 81.
We got the claim for early 7. Alifia, she has got 7 numbers.
Wonderful. So this is a big round of applause for Alifia, early 7. The claim is correct. So Alifia will get back to you with the prizes. So please note down on our diaries. So what I'm trying to tell others who are writing in the Zoom chat box is that if you've done with only Hema Malini, you cannot claim. You will have to claim for Hema. You'll have to finish with Dharmendra and Isha, all 3. All 3. You will have to correctly tick all the 6 boxes on 3 pictures. Only then you can claim. Okay? So now early 7 numbers are gone. Alifia is the winner. And now we are waiting for the claim early 7. कोई भी 7 boxes में दोनों number होना चाहिए. कोई भी 7 boxes में. All right? Let's move ahead.
एक चुटकी सिंदूर की कीमत तुम क्या जानो रमेश बाबू, ईश्वर का आशीर्वाद होता है। एक चुटकी सिंदूर
पुष्पा
सुहागन के साथ होता है। एक चुटकी सिंदूर हर औरत का ख्वाब होता है। एक चुटकी सिंदूर।
Numbers 5 to 52, 1, 5, 15, 4 to 42. 3 numbers. Find on your housey ticket. 5 to 52, 1, 5, 15, 4 to 42 on your housey tickets. If they are there, please tick them. And if they are not there, make a sad face and keep your fingers crossed. Om Shanti Om, 3 numbers. Let's move ahead.
आपका पाकिस्तान जिंदाबाद है, इसे हमें कोई इतराज नहीं, लेकिन हमारा हिंदुस्तान जिंदाबाद था, जिंदाबाद है और जिंदाबाद रहेगा। हिंदुस्तान जिंदाबाद, हिंदुस्तान जिंदाबाद, हिंदुस्तान जिंदाबाद, हिंदुस्तान जिंदाबाद, हिंदुस्तान जिंदाबाद।
बकवास बंद कर।
गदर एक प्रेम कथा, yes, that's right, and 3 numbers. गदर एक प्रेम कथा।
कि तू पक्का मुसलमान है।
इस मुल्क से ज्यादा मुसलमान हिंदुस्तान में हैं। उनके होठ और दिलों की धड़कनें हमेशा यही कहती हैं, हिंदुस्तान जिंदाबाद। तो क्या वो के मुसलमान नहीं है?
तकरीरें बंद कर।
3 numbers on Gadar Ek Prem Katha, 4444, 79 79, 53 53. Please search them on your housey tickets, and if you have, please tick them. 44, 79, 53.
We have got one more claim for early 7, but early 7 is already gone. So now we are claiming for early 7 boxes and all the families.
Wow. So early 7 boxes means you have to have the complete box. कोई भी 7 box में दोनों number. So 7 boxes and 14 numbers to be ticked. And the families, I'll once again repeat, we are claiming for a Khanna family, Khan family, Dutt family, Deol family, Bachchan family. So we are claiming for that. So देखते रहो अंदर सारे family members को पहचानो कि कौन किसका है. Every family has 3 members in that. So let's move ahead. Let's have the next. Wow. Epic tune, epic tune. हम आपके हैं कौन? Yes, Amin. and two numbers 3 and 82. Find on your housey tickets number 3 and 82, and if you have, please tick them. Number 3, number 82. And if there's any claim, please come back to me. Claim are of families Khanna, Deol, Khan, Bachchan, and Dutt family. Each family has 3 members, and each box has 2 boxes in it. So total 6 numbers should be ticked. Any claim for anything, Daksh?
No, ma'am, we are not having any claims. We'll move forward.
Let's move ahead, beta. Let's move ahead.
किस तरह मिट्टी के हर कण में
बीच में एक जंगल,
हर तलवार में एक सेना, उसी तरह हर एक मराठा में छुपा है लाख मराठा।
हर एक मराठा में छुपा है लाख मराठा। अजय देवगन मस्त फिल्म तान्हाजी. Yes, 3 numbers on Taanaji: 84, 84, 17, 17, and 30, 30. 84, 84, 17, 17, 30, 30. Find them on your housey ticket. Taanaji, a beautiful film of an unsung warrior. Ajay Devgan played it very nicely. Next.
नमस्ते सर, मेरा नाम है अर्जुन सिंह। 5000 साल पुरानी सभ्यता की वजह से हम हिंदुस्तानी सबको ऐसे ही झुक के प्रणाम करते हैं।
When we greet one another, we fold our hands in namaste because we believe that God resides in the heart of every human being.
ऐसी सभ्यता जिसमें एक कैथलिक औरत प्रधानमंत्री की कुर्सी एक सिख के लिए छोड़ देती है और एक सिख प्रधानमंत्री पद की शपथ एक मुस्लिम राष्ट्रपति से लेता है, उस देश की बागडोर संभालने के लिए जिसमें 80% लोग हिंदू हैं।
Yes,
Namaste,
it's a beautiful film. Namaste, London. Numbers are 1, 8, and 46. 1 separate, 8 separate, and 46. 1, 8, 46. Beautiful film, and this dialogue was a hit dialogue of this movie because जब भी ये dialogue सुनते तो इंडिया पे गर्व होता है. So everybody who loves India can write in the chat box, I love my country, I love India. Wow. Let's move ahead.
देखा जो बेबी तेरा नखरा तो दिल ये नखरा लगे है टोटल वखरा तो दिल ये बोले मुझको लुभाती है जवानी।
Jawani Janeman is the movie played by Saif Ali Khan. 65, only number 6, number 58. 65, number 6, and 58. Any claims? All the families are still there. Khanna, Deol, Khan, Bachchan, and Dutt family. Any claims?
No, ma'am, no claims yet.
Wonderful. तो एक साथ सब टूट नहीं पड़े हैं हम पे दक्ष कि मेरा हो गया, मेरा हो गया, मेरा हो गया. And then we have these gold guineas to be given to them.
Oh. I'll move forward now.
Oh my God. Yes, yes, please do.
ये क्या हो रहा है? आउट. बोलो तो बाहर खड़े रहने के लिए. अबे गधे मैं तेरे. पिताजी आप आइए आइए. मैं आप ही का इंतजार कर रहा था. पिताजी आप महान हैं. आप ग्रेट हैं. आप एक मिसाल हैं. आप जैसा बाप इस दुनिया में नहीं. आप पूज्य हैं. आप धन्य हैं.
Yes, Amin. अंदाज अपना अपना.
महापुरुष है, महापुरुष, महान, महान. आप महान क्या नहीं?
Amir Khan and Salman Khan's wonderful comedy movie अंदाज अपना अपना. आप तो पुरुष ही नहीं है. अरे रे आप तो महापुरुष हैं. Numbers 2, 3, 23 and 1, 0, 10. Yes, I have Nargis Dutt, Sanjay Dutt, and Sunil Dutt done. So Manjeet, if you have done all the 3 and all the 6 boxes are ticked, please post the ticket on the number. Daksh, please mention the number.
Okay, I'm mentioning the number. The number is 8320661627.
Perfect. So here there is a claim for the whole family.
Dutt
Okay,
family.
so till the
Claim for Dutt
okay,
family.
Dutt family. So till we clear the claim, we'll move ahead. Dutt family. Okay, Manjeet, let's check your ticket. Next, please move ahead.
भूल जाओ मुझे, भूल जाओ सब कुछ, भूल जाओ.
अंजलि, मैं तुम्हें भूल जाऊं ये हो नहीं सकता, और तुम मुझे भूल जाओ ये मैं होने नहीं दूंगा।
Wonderful. Sunil Dutt, Akshay Kumar and Shilpa Shetty, Dhadkan. Ami, you're like me, a movie maestro. So 3 numbers on Dhadkan: 8787, 5454, 1313. Till Manjeet is claiming we'll move ahead with this Dhadkan. 3 numbers: 87, 54 and 13. Here Ruchi has stopped us. Ruchi, for what are you claiming? You can write in the chat box and send Khanna family. Okay, please send the ticket on the number that is mentioned and we'll move ahead. आप ticket का photo भेज दो, तब तक हम आगे चलते हैं. Dhadkan, so there are 2 claims checking going on at this moment, Dutt family and Khanna family. So let's see if the
We have
claims
also
are
got
correct.
a claim for Bachchan family.
Yay, Alifia is for Bachchan family. मैंने बोला था ना एक साथ होने वाला है सबका. Yay. So let's check the tickets and move ahead. दूसरे निराश ना हो. मैंने बोला कि हाउसी में मैंने आज तक कुछ नहीं जीता, but मजा बहुत किया. So let's move ahead, Daksh. The next slide till the tickets are getting checked.
Ma'am, the Bachchan family claim was bogus. So Bachchan family is still on.
Bachchan family claim is incorrect. So it's a bogey claim. So we give it back to, who was it? Ruchi. Okay. So no wonders, Ruchi, all the best. We are still waiting for you to come in again. So please keep playing with us. Next, Daksh, please play ahead.
अगर आपको ऐसा लगता है कि हम लोगों ने आप पर कोई एहसान किया है, तो आप थैंक यू मत कहिए। इंस्टेड 3 लोगों की मदद कीजिए आप, और उन तीनों से कहना कि वो 3 और की मदद करें।
Yes, this is Salman Khan's movie Jai Ho, and the number is 86. All numbers have come. Alifia, please resend the ticket. They've checked it, but if there is any discrepancy, we'll check it out. Jai Ho 86. Daksh, we can move ahead.
Good morning, madam. You are 5 minutes late, Kajal. Sorry, madam. बस स्टॉप पर बहुत रश था. बस स्टॉप पर रुकी ही नहीं रही थी. इसी तरह तुम बसें छोड़ती रही तो कहीं तुम्हारी नौकरी ना छूट जाए. Understand? You better understand.
Yes.
तुम लोग ये मत भूलो कि ये हिंदुस्तान की नंबर 1 फाइट.
Yes,
मुझे ये फैक्ट्री दुनिया की हर चीज से ज्यादा प्यारी है.
Sheetal's role that was played by Sri Devi.
और इसकी पोजीशन
Number 3535.
नहीं कर सकती. Understand? You better understand.
You better understand. Wow, beautiful. Ladla by Sri Devi and Ravina Tandon and Anil Kapoor. Number is 35. We can move ahead.
क्यों लम्हे खराब करे, आ गलती बेहिसाब करे, दो पल की जो नींद उड़ी, आ पूरे सारे ख्वाब करे.
Wow, war number 43. Yes.
For the claim Dutt family, you have to see both the numbers in the box. They have claimed for only one number. So check that both the numbers are checked in one box, then you can claim for the ticket.
Perfect. So dear audience and dear players, please see to it that you tick both the boxes. So we are returning back the ticket. Bachchan family send the pick on number. Nitya Majumdar, please do that. The number is mentioned. We'll move ahead. This was war with number 43. That family is open now, Daksh.
प्यार क्या है?
प्यार प्यार दोस्ती है. अगर वो मेरी सबसे अच्छी दोस्त नहीं बन सकती तो मैं उससे कभी प्यार कर ही नहीं सकता, क्योंकि दोस्ती बिना तो प्यार होता ही नहीं.
Yes, कुछ होता है.
प्यार दोस्ती.
Wonderful. So number 7 and number 80 for the next. Daksh family is claimed. Beta, just read out the claims.
All the families are left. Still no family has been claimed.
Okay. Only
Just a second, ma'am. We have got an answer for Bachchan family. It's been claimed.
Okay. Okay. Bachchan is claimed by whom?
Nitya S is claimed for Bachchan family and she has got it.
Okay, so Nitya, congratulations. Second claim for Bachchan family. Bingo, Nitya, congratulations. And you will have your prizes very soon. So here Nitya has claimed for Bachchan family. So Bachchan is gone. Abhi Bachchan ki taraf koi nahi dekhega. We are still open with Khanna, Deol, Dutt and Khans. So leave the Bachchans aside. So next, and if you're enjoying, please type in the chat box that we are enjoying, because I can see that everybody is enjoying. Yes, next.
राजा भट्ट आलिया भट्ट अरे भूत राजा बहार आजा आजा ओ आजा बहार आजा.
Bhutnath Returns. I don't think Bhutnath Returns we have in this, no, Daksh?
It's Houseful 4.
Houseful 4, yes. So this time somebody is wrong, mentioning the wrong movie name. It's Houseful 4. So search for Houseful 4 in your ticket, and the numbers in Houseful 4 are, chaliye, Houseful 4, number 1, only there's one number, 33. 33. So tick that number in your housey ticket. Bhutnath Returns is a wrong picture. It's Houseful 4. Let's move ahead. Sip a little water. Yes, Krishna. Yes, yes. Actually, I'm playing from the mobile, so I'm not able to keep track of the chats. Sip a little water, everybody, and let's move ahead.
Ma'am, we have got a claim for Bachchan family, but in that, ma'am has done 6 out of 0. So let's not claim this ticket like this. We had the previous ticket, so it was written 40 and now it's 46.
Okay. So Nitya's claim you're talking about?
No, not Nitya's claim.
Somebody else?
Alifia, ma'am.
Alifia. Okay. So already Bachchan we've given to Nitya. So Alifia can play for some other ticket. Okay?
We'll move forward now.
Yes, yes, yes. So Bachchan is gone and we are waiting for Khanna, Deol, Dutt and Khan.
Back to the 90s.
अरे वाह.
Which numbers are there on Coolie number 1? 55, 2 and 75. 55, 2 and 75. Any claims? 55, 2, 75. मैं तो रास्ते से जा रहा था, भेलपुरी खा रहा था, हाउसी का प्राइस मिला तो ठीक, वरना भेलपुरी तो मिलेगा ही मिलेगा. Yes. 55 to 75. Let's move ahead.
We have got a claim for Khanna family.
Khanna family, okay. So
Ruchi
please
Mehta.
send the ticket to us.
We got it. Ruchi Mehta, she has got it. She's right.
Okay, so the claim is correct?
Yes, ma'am. Khanna family is taken.
Bachchan goes to Nitya and Khanna family goes to Ruchi. Ruchi, congratulations. And this clap is for you. And you will soon receive your prizes for this, Khanna. So now Khanna is gone, Bachchan is gone, okay? So now Deol, Dutt and Khan are left. Bachchan and Khanna is gone. Let's move ahead. Ruchi and Nitya have claimed Alifia.
यहाँ से 50-50 कोस दूर गाँव. जब बच्चा रात को रोता है तो माँ कहती है बेटे सो जा नहीं तो गब्बर सिंह आ जाएगा.
Wow. बहुत ही सुंदर film Sholay. Yes, Krishna, you're completely right. Let's find Sholay on our answer key. And which number is there? Sholay. I am searching for it. 4, 5, 45 and 68. Khan Premlata is claiming for Khan Premlata. Please send your tickets. Number 45 and 68 for Sholay. Premlata is sending her ticket for some claim, and we'll move ahead till the tickets are clear, checked. Let's move ahead. Sholay 45, 68. Kishan Kanhaiya. Yes, very true. Kishan Kanhaiya. This tune was very famous. Yes, everybody's correct. 5050 and only number 9. 5050, only number 9. Claim check is going on. So once it's done, Daksh will announce it. Yes, Premlata Krishnan Kanhaiya is correct. Next.
मेरी भी कई ट्रेनें छूटी है, पर उन दिनों में मैं मर्द था, मतलब अभी भी मर्द हूँ, लेकिन तुम एक लड़की हो, अकेली लड़की खुली तिजोरी की तरह होती है।
जब we met, वाओ, मेरे जितने कितने लोग
पता है तुम्हारे साथ क्या हो सकता है? मैं बताता हूँ। देखो,
एक्सक्यूज मी, आपसे पूछना था, आप जो ये सब बोल रहे हैं, इसके पैसे चार्ज करते हैं या ये मुफ्त का ज्ञान है?
नहीं, ये तो मुफ्त है।
गुड, क्योंकि चिल्लर नहीं है मेरे पास। देखो बुड्ढे, बकवास बंद करो, अपना काम करो। कोटा फोन लगाओ, बाकी मेरी प्रॉब्लम है, मैं संभालूंगी। चलो फोन लगाओ।
जब we met, number 1414. Daksh, is the claim checked?
Still we have not received the claim.
Okay. We'll move ahead. Khan family, Premlata, please send the picture. So that
we are still open for Khan family, Deol family and Dutt family.
Wonderful. So Khanna and Bachchans are gone. Okay, next Daksh, let's move ahead till we
and 7 boxes.
Claim.
7 boxes are yet to be claimed.
Yes, 7 boxes. If anybody is done, please claim it. Next, please move ahead.
हमको कहते सुपरमैन, ऑन कर लो हैंडीकैप, from AM to PM, बंदे अच्छो सर्विस में। तनु मरव करदा, मतलब करदा, बाहों में आ सोनिए, बस आज रात के लिए।
Wow, wonderful. 4949, a number. Next, can we move ahead? Stop. Krishna Sahari is there. 7 boxes, Krishna, please send your ticket. Come on, let's move ahead, Daksh, till Krishna sends the tickets.
क्या है मृत्यु? हमारे आत्मबल से शत्रु का बल ज्यादा है, ये सोचना है मृत्यु। रणभूमि में शत्रु से भयभीत होकर जिस नीच ने हमारी मां का अपमान किया, वो हमारी आंखों के सामने अट्टहास कर रहा है। उसका सर काटकर मां के चरणों में अर्पित करने की जगह पीठ दिखाकर भागना है मृत्यु।
How? Number 47 and number 36. Your family, Hina. Daksh, can we stop?
और मातृभूमि को कोई नीच पापी।
Yes, so Hina is also sending a claim. Hina, please take a picture and send it on the number mentioned so that we can check your claim. Bahubali was number 47, 47, 36, 36. So there are 2 claim checks going on at this moment. So I'll take a pause here. Is Sultan done? No, Sultan is not done yet. No, it's not done. So now I am going to, okay, stop. Achla is also there telling me a stop. Achla, you can write for what you're claiming and we can check. So till the time everybody is checking, Daksh, can you stop the screen share? Dangal is not done. No, Dangal is not done. Okay, Achla, 7 boxes. So till the time the checking is going on, everybody whose tickets are there for claim, please take a screenshot, send us to the WhatsApp number that was given. So till then, let's have a break. Let's sip in some water for 1 minute, and I'm going to shoot out some questions to you. And if you know the answers, please use the chat box or the comment section box in the live Facebook if you're there, or you're there with us on Zoom. Okay. So I'm going to ask you, this dialogue which we played of Bahubali, 7 boxes. Hiral, please send in. Bhej do aapka picture. Bahubali, can you name the actress who played the role of Sivagamini? Can you name the actress who played the role of Sivagamini? Anushka, no. No, Nitya, it's the wrong answer. Anybody who can write? The role played by Sivagami. Ramya. Yes, Ramya Krishnan. Perfect, Nitya. Wonderful. Second question. Gadar Ek Prem Katha. We all know that movie was a big hit. Against Sunil, Sunny Deol. Who was the heroine or the actress who played the role of his wife? Amisha Patel. And who was the villain in that movie? Oh no, Amrish Puri. Yes, yes, Amrish Puri. Yes. Okay. Now next.
Ma'am, wait a minute. Wait a minute, ma'am. We have got the 7 boxes claimed by Krishna.
Wow, Krishna, big hand to you, please. And you will receive your prizes very soon. So Krishna has claimed for 7 boxes, 14 numbers ticked. Krishna, wonderful. Any other claim, Daksh, to be mentioned?
The claims are still getting checked.
Okay, so till that time, I'll take a minute so that those who want to go to the washroom can go. Those who want to drink little water or sip a cup of coffee can do that. Okay, so next, DDLJ. Okay, so DDLJ में शाहरुख खान का नाम और काजल का नाम क्या था? Raj, and Kajal's name Simran. Wow. And the last dialogue that Amrish Puri told to Kajol when she was at the railway station and trying to leave that hard-holded hand. Ja Simran, ja ji le apni zindagi. I am so much in love with these audience. I mean, really so lively audience. Dhada dhad, the typing is going on. So, okay, wonderful, beautiful. Now, this oh my God picture, everybody has seen this movie, oh my God. There are two important characters.
Just a minute, ma'am.
Yes, yes.
We have got Deol family, Simran.
Wow, Simran has claimed for Deol family. The claim is correct. Please give a big hand to Simran. So Simran, keep waiting for our surprise prizes that will reach to you very soon. So I think Khanna is gone. Early 7 is gone. Bachchan is gone. 7 boxes are gone. So now it's Khan family is left. Dutt family is left. Deol is gone. Yes. So Khan and Dutt both are left. And some surprises are left. So I'm going to announce after we complete all the families, I will be announcing some surprises also. So Daksh, any claim is still getting checked?
Ma'am, still we are receiving 2 claims. So we are checking it.
Perfect. So shall I move ahead or take a little gap time?
Ma'am, we have got one claim, but we are not received for what they are claiming. So kindly write in the chat box. Write in the box.
Please mention the name of the player.
Achal Mehta.
Achla Mehta.
Achla Mehta.
Achla Mehta. Achla, please mention in the chat box for what you're claiming or on the WhatsApp number. So Daksh, let's move ahead till the claims are there. Khan family and which family is left now?
Dutt family and Khan family.
Dutt family and Khan family is left. Dutt and Khan is left.
Achla Mehta was claiming for 7 boxes, but it's already gone.
Okay, Achla, I'm so sorry. We've already declared the 7 boxes, but I cannot give you a prize, but this clap, I'll give you. Yes, Dhadak is not done. No, Dhadak is not done, Alifia. Okay, Daksh, let's move ahead. It was Dhadkan that was done. Dhadak is not done. Let's share the screen and move ahead. And I'll come back with a little gap again.
যদি তোর ডাক শুনে কেউ না আসে তবে একলা চলো রে যদি তোর ডাক শুনে কেউ না আসে তবে একলা চলো রে তবে একলা চলো একলা চলো একলা চলো
The movie is Kahani.
Yes, Kahani, Vidya Palan, one of the very, very nicest family. Premlata, Daksh, can you just check Premlata's tickets because she sent it for Bachchan family? But Bachchan is, I think, already claimed.
Yes, ma'am, Bachchan is already claimed.
Yeah, so Premlata, I'm sorry, Bachchan is already claimed. It was the first claim that we did. So Khan family is also done, Bindya. It's already, no, Khan family is not done. I'm waiting, Bindya. Please send your ticket. Khan family is open. So please send your ticket. And on Kahani, there were 3 numbers, 26, 24, 18, 18. Premlata, Khan family already somebody has claimed. So let's have both the tickets and we'll check. Number 26, 24, 18, 18. Please search on your tickets. Khan family claim is going on. Dutt family abhi bhi ऐसे ही खुला है, आप लोग claim कर सकते हो. Kahani, this was the movie. Let's move ahead, Daksh.
मेरे दो बाप, मेरे दो बाप, मेरे दो बाप.
क्या?
मेरे दो बाप.
तेरे दो बाप?
हाँ डैडी, अभी दूसरे डैडी आके मुझे गिफ्ट पे दे गए चॉकलेट खाने को.
लगता है मेरी जगह यहाँ कोई और
is the movie, yes. 31 and 56. Premlata, Dutt family, can you send us the ticket? Dutt family. Varshita, my voice is clear. I don't know why you can't hear it. Check your network, ma'am. Gopi Kishan, number 3131 5656. 3131 5. Sheetal Khara, yes, we are stopped. You can send the ticket and the claim you can mention. Khan family, yes, please send it, Sheetal. Dutt and Khan family both are there. So Daksh, if the claims are correct, you can stop me in between and declare the claims.
The claims are getting checked for Khan family.
Okay, okay. You can, Premlata, take a screenshot and there was a number mentioned in the chat box. You can please send it on that. Number 31 and 56 for Gopi Kishan. Let's move ahead.
तेरी आँखों का साहिल मैं तेरे दिल के ही काबिल तू मुसाफिर मैं तेरी मंजिल इश्क का दरिया है बहता डूब जा तुझसे है कहता आ मेरी बाहों में आके मिल शराबी क्या शराबी दिल में जिसके गम न हो लुट गया समझो शराबी पास जिसके हम न हो ओ साकी साकी रे साकी साकी आवाज रह न जाए कोई ख्वाहिश बाकी.
Batla House, number 34, 78, 89. 34, 78, 89. So the claims, those who have claimed, please, Dutt family, yes, Premlata, please send it. Khan and Dutt family both are open. You can send your claims.
Ma'am, Khan family is taken by Bindya.
Bindya, congratulations for Khan family. Your claim is correct and you will be receiving your prizes. So this applause is for you, Bindya. Congratulations. Now we've done with the Khan family also. Bachchan gone, Diol gone, Khan gone. Now is Dutt left. So Dutt, I have sent, okay, Premlata, if you've sent, they will be checking it. Let's move ahead.
और एक बात और सुन ले मेरे यार, महाकवि पोपटलाल जी कह गए कि लाइफ में 3 चीजों के पीछे कभी नहीं भागना चाहिए: बस, ट्रेन और छोकरी, एक गई दूसरी आती है, समझा? और दूसरी गई तो तीसरी आती है।
इश्क, yes, इश्क. No, अंदाज अपना अपना. No, it's Ishq. The movie is Ishq. 71 and 22. 71 and 22. 71, 22. 71, 22. Now that family claim is going on. Now we are playing for full housey. Daksh, can you see Premlata has sent some attachment? The all family is already gone, Bindya. The all is already finished.
Ma'am, the claim which Premlata ma'am has sent, in that she has not mentioned the numbers. She has just picked it.
Okay, so I'm sorry, I won't be able to give it to you, Premlata. So still, I think which claim is on? That family claim is on, right?
Yes, ma'am. We are still playing for that family.
Perfect. Very good. So that family claim is on and full house claim is on. Plus, I will be announcing some surprises also. Uspe agar kisi ka claim aata hai, then at that very moment you can write stop and I will then check your tickets. Okay. So next, let's move ahead, Daksh.
Ma'am, the light had gone for a fraction of while, so the PC is still shut down. So we'll wait for 2 minutes so it will start again.
All right. Okay, no problem. So till that time, let me connect with the audience and I think we can take it as a break time. And if anybody wants to sip in little water, go to the washroom and come back, please do that. So I'll shoot out some questions. Chalo, theek hai. Jab We Met, a wonderful movie of Kareena Kapoor and Shahid Kapoor. Thank you, Varshita. So wonderful. On which number we have to send the photos? Darshna, I'll just repeat the number. Daksh, can you please repeat the number? Or anybody in the chat box? Your number?
The number is 8320661627.
Wonderful, wonderful. This number, I think everybody is going to ratify today. So this question I'm asking to everybody on Zoom and on Facebook as well. The movie Jab We Met, a beautiful movie by Kareena Kapoor and Shahid Kapoor. There was one beautiful dialogue by Kareena Kapoor, which was very famous. Can anybody type that dialogue? I'll give you a hint of a very hook word of that dialogue. Favorite. Favorite. Yes, मैं खुद अपनी बहुत बड़ी फेवरेट हूँ. मैं अपनी फेवरेट हूँ. Yes, this dialogue सिकनी हूँ. मैं भटिंडा की. Yes, that was also very famous. But this dialogue मैं अपनी फेवरेट हूँ carries on till today because I think somewhere it signifies a woman, you know, because I think that dialogue taught us that we can be our own favorite also. So that lesson from that dialogue was learned by everybody. So thank you so much. Second, this movie called Dhadak. Can you name the characters of this movie? The actor and actresses of Dhadak? The heroine? Ishaan Khattar, yes. And Janhvi Kapoor. Okay, tell me who is Ishaan Kapoor? Ishaan Khattar. Who is Ishaan Khattar? Shahid's brother, yes. And who is Janhvi Kapoor? Yes, Sridevi's daughter. Wonderful, wonderful. One more question of the same movie. This movie was a remake of which Marathi movie? Dhadak was the remake of which Marathi movie? Dhadak was the remake of which Marathi movie? Anybody? Dhadak was the remake. Sairat. Yes, Krishna. Wonderful, wonderful. Now, tell me something about Hera Fairy. What was the name of the character who was played by Paresh Rawal? What was the name of that character? Played by Paresh Rawal in Hera Fairy. Babu Lal. I know. I slipped in thoda. Maine Babu bol diya tha. Babu. So, Babu Lal, Babu Rao, yeah, whatever. Babu Rao. Yes, perfect, perfect. Now this movie, Ram Leela, it was a controversial movie. So tell me one famous song of Ram Leela. Any famous song? Nagada, yes. Lahu Mulagya, wonderful, wonderful. Okay, wonderful. Next, Leela, Leela Chahe Ram Chahe. Yes, yes, yes. Ang Laga De. Wow, beautiful songs. Who was the director of this movie? Tatar Tatar. Yes, Veerpal. Wonderful. Who was the director of this movie? Okay, Sanjay Leela Bhansali, very, very rightly said as or called as SLB. Premlata is in some confusion. Premlata, can you just call on that number which is mentioned so that your confusion can be taken care of? Premlata? Sanjay Leela Bhansali. Yes, yes. Ram Leela is not done yet. No, Krishna, Ram Leela is not done. It's open. Okay. So I'll come to Houseful 4. A famous song of Houseful 4, all the children love. Played on Akshay Kumar. Bala, yes, Krishna, Bala, oh Bala, wow, beautiful. What a nice step. Wow, okay. So Coolie number 1, who was the director of Coolie number 1 and Coolie number 1 just now? Who was the director? David Dhawan, David Dhawan, David Dhawan. Okay. Coolie number 1 old, I'm asking this question. Coolie number 1 old, who were the actor and actresses? Actress. Govinda and Karishma. Yes, yes, yes. So कौन बोलता है teachers picture नहीं देखती? I felt, you know, sometimes I was in that guilt. यार मैं कितना picture देखती हूँ, मैं teacher हूँ. But see, aha, I'm so happy. Ma'am, give me one prize. I'm telling too much time. That's family. Yes, Premlata. Dear, if your claim is correct, we'll definitely give you a prize. Don't worry for that. I've given the number. If you have any confusion, please call on that number. We'll take care of you. Okay. So that's nice. Then Bahubali. Wow, Bahubali. The lead character, uska naam kaun sa tha? Prabhas. Yes, yes. Or in that movie, he played two characters, you know. So what was the name of the first and the second character? First
we are
and
back
the second
now.
character.
Ma'am, we are back.
Yeah, Daksh, please have a talk with Premlata. There's some confusion. So can you just take care of that? Amrendra Bahubali and Mahendra Bahubali. Wonderful. So we're moving ahead with our tickets. I hope everybody's stuffed with water, snacks, tea, coffee, everything. Let's move ahead and finish our housing. I'll be a little quick now because we'll have to wrap it in time. So have a look on the ticket. Can we share the screen, please? Premlata, please don't worry. We'll take care of you. Tanaji is done. Yes, Alifia, Tanaji is done. I'll just tell what are done. Andaz Apna Apna, Bahubali, Anand, Batla House, Chalang, DDLJ, Desi Boys, Coolie number 1, Dhadkan, Gadar Ek Prem Katha, A Houseful 4, Hum Aapke Hain Kaun, Ishq, Jab We Met, Jai Ho, Kahani, Kishan Kanhaiya, Kuch Kuch Hota Hai, Ladla, Marches, Namaste London, Om Shanti Om, Simba, Slumdog Millionaire, Tanhaji, War and Zanjeer are done. Rest are left. Daksh, can we speed up a little bit? Daksh, is there any technical glitch in between?
तो दिल जमा निसार हो गया, शिकार खुद यहाँ शिकार हो गया। ये क्या सितम हुआ, ये क्या जुल्म हुआ, ये क्या गज़ब हुआ, ये कैसे कब हुआ, न जानू मैं न जाने वो।
Number 38, number Halal, if you have, please. Now we are playing for Full House and that family. Yes, Daksh.
इन्होंने भाई को मारा मेरे।
भाई तो मेरा भी गया सरपंच जी।
हमारी औरतों की इज्जत पे हाथ डाला गया।
कोशिश तो यहाँ से भी हुई।
मेरी माँ पे गोली चलाई।
रे मेरी बीवी मुझसे छीन ली।
हर चीज का बदला लिया तो इसका क्यों नहीं? अरे सुलह के नाम पे बंदूकी चली, उसका बदला क्यों नहीं? वादों से मुकरने का बदला, जिम्मेदारी से भागने का बदला, दुनिया के सामने तमाशा बनाने का बदला क्यों नहीं? आज के बाद किसी सनेडा का किसी रजाड़ी से कोई वास्ता नहीं।
Perfect. So Ramleela number 41, number 4, number 1616. Krishna, we are stopping for that family and you can send the ticket. Till then, we check your tickets. We'll move ahead. Daksh, this claim is for that family. Ramleela 41, 4, 16. No, sorry. Okay, Krishna, we'll move ahead. 41, 4, 16. Let's move ahead, Daksh, and we'll be a little quick now. Oh my God, yes. Number 6060, number 4040. If there's any claim for that family, please put in the chat box. If there is any claim for that family. Next.
पिघले नीलम सा बहता हुआ ये समा, नीली नीली सी खामोशियां, न कहीं है जमीन न कहीं आसमां, सरसराती हुई टहनियां पत्तियां कह रही है कि बस एक तुम हो यहां, सिर्फ मैं हूं, मेरी सांसें हैं और मेरी धड़कनें,
जिंदगी न मिलेगी दोबारा,
गहराइयां
जिंदगी न मिलेगी दोबारा। नंबर 61, जिंदगी न मिलेगी दोबारा। Now after this, ये जो गाना या डायलॉग प्ले किया जाएगा, दिस इज अ प्राइज विनिंग डायलॉग और अ सॉन्ग। सो इस पे जिसका भी क्लेम होता है पर्टिकुलर ऑन दिस नंबर, प्लीज टेल मी अ स्टॉप। पर अगर 3 नंबर है तो तीनों 3 आने चाहिए, 2 नंबर है तो 2 आने चाहिए, 1 नंबर है तो 1 आना चाहिए। दिस सॉन्ग इज प्राइज विनिंग। दक्ष, कैन बी अ सॉन्ग और डायलॉग, व्हाटएवर। नेक्स्ट। Yes, so इस पे ये तीनों नंबर अगर किसी के पास हैं, that family is remaining yes. ये तीनों नंबर अगर किसी के पास हैं, you can write stop. Number 63, number 28, number 83. Is anybody having these 3 numbers? Stop, Premlata. Okay, you're having these 3 numbers हैं आपके पास. 63, 28, 83. Yes. Pinky, if you have that, please send a screenshot. Daksh, Sheetal is sending for that family. Achla is sending a stop. जिसके लिए भी है, mention the claim and send the pictures. If it is for Baghi 3, write Baghi 3. 1 number नहीं चलेगा, तीनों number चाहिए.
We are counting only for the person who claims first. So message fast, then only we will count your claim.
But Baghi 3, Daksh, if there are 2, please give it. That's okay. We'll be a little lenient in that. बागी 3 अगर किसी का होता है, 2 जन है तो चलेगा। That family आप चेक कर लो, किसी ने भेजा है आप चेक कर लो। We'll move ahead. Again, this is prize winning again, and we'll give 2 prizes for this. Any 2 people who can claim. Daksh, can we play the next?
And we have got a claim for that family.
Okay, so that family
we are checking it.
claim किया है. Okay, किसका क्लेम है?
शीतल खारा.
शीतल खारा. Okay. And Pinky is also telling to stop. Pinky, जो भी आप chat box में लिखिए ताकि we can take care of it and we can move ahead. This is also a prize-winning song or dialogue. Let's move ahead.
हेलो, मैं चंदू सोलंकी बोलता हूँ. देवी प्रसाद जी घर में हैं?
अरे कौन देवी प्रसाद? ये देवी प्रसाद का घर नहीं है.
क्या? देवी प्रसाद घर में नहीं है? किधर है?
अरे देवा, देवी का प्रसाद मंदिर में मिलता है, गराज में नहीं.
क्या?
ये स्टार गराज है. मैं गराज का ओनर बाबूराव आपटे बोल रहा हूँ. देवी प्रसाद का घर नहीं है.
Ma'am.
Wonderful.
Ma'am,
yes,
we have got the Dutt family.
Okay, Dutt family is
Sheetal
done. And
Khara.
Premlata is also claiming. Hera Fairy 48, 12 and 32 जिसका भी हो गया है, तीनों number please send them. 48, 12, 32. Write in the WhatsApp also for what you're claiming. Yes, such like you have 3 numbers. Please mention in the WhatsApp number also, so that we can check. Hera Fairy was also a prize winning.
Ma'am, Premlata ma'am is sending the answer card.
No,
not the housing ticket.
Ticket. This ticket you'll have to send. Okay. हेरा फेरी का क्लेम किसने किया है? बागी 3 का क्लेम जिसने भी किया है व्हाट्सएप पे भेजो और लिखो नीचे कौन सा क्लेम है. ठीक है? This also is now a claim which I'm playing. The next one is also a claim. Send a screenshot with the claim name. ठीक है? Next, Daksh, please play it. Number 72, any claim?
Ouch!
Any claim for beta? Any claim for beta? No claims. Sheetal's ticket, okay, Darshana is claiming for 84.
Ma'am, for Hera Fairy we have got a claim.
Okay. That is correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, please announce the name.
Her name is Achla.
Achla, you've claimed it for Hera Fairy. Bingo! And Darshana is claiming for another number. Darshana? That is correct. Sheetal, they are checking it and they'll update you in a moment.
Yes, ma'am. That goes to you.
Wow, Sheetal, bingo! Sheetal, yes. Wonderful, Sheetal, wonderful. Darshana, Dhadkan is already done. It was not a prize winner question. Dhadkan to gaane mein aa gaya kab se pehle. So Khanna is gone, Deol is gone, Khan is gone, Bachchan is gone, Dutt is gone. Wow, chalo, all the winners will be getting the prizes. Now we are playing for full housey और उस बीच में मैं थोड़े prizes दूंगी. जैसे I've given for Bagi, I've given for Hera Fairy, and I've given for which movie, Daksh? Okay, so let's move ahead. This is not a beta. I've given for beta also. So 3 movies I've given. This is not a prize winning question.
But ma'am, we have not got any claim for beta.
Normal. Yeah, so there's no claim. So I am lucky that I don't have to give that prize. Okay, next, let's play ahead. Full house we are playing for now. Together, yeah. All you got is me, and yeah, all I got is you. And 39.
तारीख पर तारीख, तारीख पर तारीख, तारीख पर तारीख, तारीख पर तारीख मिलती रही है, लेकिन इंसाफ नहीं मिला मिलोड, इंसाफ नहीं मिला, मिली है तो सिर्फ ये तारीख.
दामिनी, yes, 37, wonderful. इसके बाद वाला प्राइस क्वेश्चन है, इसके बाद वाला प्राइस क्वेश्चन है, so if you have, you can claim it. Next.
Ma'am, Premlata ma'am is sending the answer card still.
Okay, no problem. No worries. Let's move ahead, Daksh.
जो भी है तुम
ऑल नंबर्स होने चाहिए। यस फॉर प्राइज।
करेगी तो भुगतूंगी ना उसको।
अच्छा बहुत बड़ी गुंडी है तू।
तेरा लेक्चर सुनने को नहीं निकली हो घर से।
लेकिन अल्टरपंथी करने को निकली है तू घर से।
तू शुक्र कर उसकी गर्दन नहीं तोड़ी मैं। अभी एक ही लाइफ है, एक ही तो है, ऊपर से वो घुस रही है बीच में। गुस्सा नहीं आएगा क्या?
Gully boy, stop, Daksh. Varshita is claiming for Gully boy number 59. किस में है? Please send a screenshot Gully boy का 59, and if you're claiming for it, you'll get a prize. Let's move ahead. Gully boy का बेच दो Varshita, and if your claim is correct, we'll announce you as a winner. Let's move ahead. We are now playing for full house. Let's move ahead, Daksh.
तन्ने इस तरह लड़ना है कि लोग तन्ने याद रखें। अगर सिल्वर जीती तो आज नहीं तो कल लोग तन्ने भूल जाएंगे। गोल्ड जीती तो मिसाल
दंगल। Yes. Next.
दी जाती हैं बेटा।
Stop. Achla for what? Full house हो गया? Gully boy is gone. Achla, Gully boy is gone. अंदाज अपना अपना कब का हो गया शीतल? कब का अंदाज अपना अपना हो गया? वर्षिता stop for what? Full house. शीतल खारा. Wow. Full house हो गया. भेजो. When you send the ticket, please mention the claim also, Daksh. Now back to back 2 single questions for prize. इसके बाद वाला जो नंबर होगा वो भी प्राइज है, उसके बाद वाला भी नंबर प्राइज है। 2 I'm going to give 2 people, ठीक है? 66 millionaire, Slumdog Millionaire is done.
धड़क चिक तुम धड़कन बोले जब तू छत पे आए, नैन लड़ा के तुझसे मन मंदिर में जिंगल बेल हो जाए।
Yes, Daksh, stop. Dhadak is a prize winner question 57 and 27. 57, 27. And if you're claiming, please post it on the WhatsApp number and write down your claim. If it is for Dhadak, I'm going to give. Varsha, yes. Wonderful. Varsha, Achla, दोनों ने भेजा है, भेजो आप. And my team is checking it. After this also, we are playing for full house. Varshita, I'm sorry. After this, we are playing for full house. And this second question is also a prize question. So let's have it. Yes, Sultan. Wonderful. Sultan is prize and 26, 72, 85. So if you are claiming for it, one number nahi chalega, Krishna. You'll have to have all the 3 numbers. 2 out of 3. Oh, I'm so sorry. 3 out of 3 only is what I'm going to accept.
So
Any
now
other?
we will be having the last song after this.
Yes. So this last song, इसमें मैं ऐसा करूंगी. If there are 3 numbers and if you have any 2, I will give it to you. If there are 2 numbers, if you have any 1, I'm giving it to you. एक नंबर होगा तो एक आपको देना ही पड़ेगा. So I'm going to be flexible in this. Chalo, all yours because this is the last song. Janvi, not for this. Now for what I'm going to play. The last song of this game. Come on.
Ma'am, we are checking for the first housey.
Okay.
And that's the only claim for full house till now.
Yes.
We'll
Only one claim.
So we'll be coming with the last song. So then there will be no claim for full houses.
Yes, there will be no claim for full houses. Yes, Daksh. And इसमें जिसने पहले stop लिखा उसका ही हम count करेंगे, ठीक है? We'll be little strict in this, Daksh. Let's play the last song.
What is a machine? बोलो, machine का definition बोलो.
सर
A machine is anything that reduces human effort, sir.
Will you please elaborate? Definition क्या है?
Stop. Krishna has said stop. Stop. I saw Krishna. Duck, stop. Krishna has said stop for Full House. And if there's any claim for Three Idiots, please put it in the chat box or in the WhatsApp number that is mentioned in the group. And we will be coming up with the prizes to you. We'll be reaching out with the prizes. Full House हो गया, जो भी हो गया, आप सब वो WhatsApp number पे लिख के भेजिए. And the numbers or the tickets that we receive first will be claimed for that.
Ma'am, Sheetal Khara has got the first Full Housey.
Yay, Sheetal Khara! Wow, congratulations! Housey में थोड़ा दौड़ना पड़ता है, Alithia. So you are little behind in the race. Sheetal Khara, congratulations!
And second Full Housey goes to Krishna.
Krishna, congratulations! So Daksh, can you read out all the claims and prizes that we are going to give to all the winners?
Yes, ma'am. First 7 numbers.
One minute, I'll borrow from you, Daksh. Please, 1 minute. जिन्होंने कोई भी प्राइज नहीं जीता है, ये virtual hug is from my side and these kisses are from my side. Take it as a prize. And think कि हमने एक अच्छी शाम बिताई. So don't get disheartened. Don't feel low that, oh, मैंने कितना खेला, मुझे कुछ नहीं मिला. So this virtual hug is to all those who did not win anything. So Daksh, please declare the prizes.
Okay, so we'll be starting with the first prize that was 7 numbers. The first 7 numbers goes to Alithia. After that, for Bachchan family, we have Nitya. Then for Khanna family, we have Ruchi. For 7 boxes, we have Krishna. For Deol family, we have Hina. For Khan family, we have Bindya. For Dutt family, we have Sheetal. For Hera Fairy, we have Achla. Then for Gully Boy, we have again Achla. Then Sheetal got the first housey and Krishna got the second housey.
Beautiful bingo. I hope that everybody enjoyed this bit of the pleasure that we wanted all the educators and every fraternity to enjoy. We are coming back with yet another teachers quiz that is also going to be super duper enjoyment for all of you, because that also we weaved in questions related to education, questions related to entertainment, because what I believe is that E stands for educator, E stands for entertainment, and when these two E's become together, a teacher is a full-on teacher. So I hope everybody enjoyed. Stay tuned and like our page, TIE, Team of Ignited Educators, Bhavnagar Preschool Association. We are looking forward to make that little difference in the teacher's life. So this is a bye from my side, and all the winners will receive their prizes very soon. So bye-bye, everybody. And to those whom I've given a hug, already they're going to carry that. So they've got their prizes. And this is a bye from me. Bye-bye. Thank you. Thank you, everyone. Thank you. Thank you, Daksh, and thank you, Team Small Wonders, for being there at the back end. Thank you.